I thought to make mutton recipe today. You also try this mouth-watering recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you mutton pepper fry recipe. It is easy to make and delicious to eat. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. To make this mutton fry recipe, we need 1 sliced onion, 1 green chilli, 4 to 5 mashed garlic cloves, 2 inch of finely chopped ginger. Next, take a pressure cooker and heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, add sliced onion, green chilli, ginger and garlic. Fry them until onions are transparent. Once done, now we need to add 3 cloves and 7 to 8 peppercorns. Here I am using half kilo of well cleaned and washed mutton. Add some coriander leaves, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half tablespoon of pepper powder, 2 bay leaf, mix them nicely so that all the masalas should touch to the mutton. Fry them for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add half glass of water. Don't add too much of water. And 2 tablespoons of ghee. Give it a nice mix. And close the lid and cook it for 6 to 7 whistles or until the mutton is cooked well. Meanwhile, we'll make some spice powder. For that I have taken 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 3 black cardamom and 3 green cardamom and make a coarse powder of this. The powder is ready. Now we will keep it aside. Now let's check whether our mutton is cooked or not. As you can see here, our mutton is cooked well. Next, take a kadai, add some oil to it. Here I am using coconut oil. If you want, you can also add curry leaves to it and it will give a good taste. If you don't want to use, you can skip the curry leaves. If you are going to add, then this is the perfect time to add curry leaves. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And if you are spicy lover, in this time you can also add 1 or 2 green chilies. I am not going to add because I don't want to eat more spicy. Now we need to add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Fry them nicely. Now we will add our cooked mutton. So first I am going to add mutton soup or that water. Mix well. And now I am going to add mutton pieces. Now I am going to add black cardamom and black pepper powder which we prepared earlier, and add some curry leaves. Give it a nice mix and cook it for about 5 minutes. And as you can see here, our mutton pepper fry is ready. If the salt is required, you can also add the salt in. You must try this recipe and do comment me how it was, and have this delicious wonderful mutton pepper fry with your favorite chapatis, parathas or dosa. If you like this recipe, please give it a like and share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.